Hi guys, my name is Reyes and I'm back for the chapter 10 summary, the application layer. Then chapter 10 section and objectives, the application layer protocols explain the operation of the application layer in providing support to end user applications, then explain how the function and application layer, session layer, and presentation layer works together, then common application layer, then other stuff, then well-known application protocol service, explain how well-known TCP/IP application layer protocols operate, examine how web and email protocol operates, then DNS and DHCP operates, and how file transfer protocol operates. Then application layer is closest to the end users, used to exchange data between programs running on the source and destination host. Then presentation layer, compressing data and encrypting data. Session layer is create and maintain dialogues and between source and destination applications. Then, so as in here, there are so many protocols. The DNS for the domain system translate the a Cisco to an IP address, then the bootstrap is being suppressed by DHCP, then DHCP is dynamically assigns IP address, then SMTP or simple mail transfer protocols enable client to send email, it sends the email, then the post POP or post office protocol is to retrieve the email, then IMAP or the internet map access protocol is enable client to retrieve email from mail servers, then FTP or file transfer protocol is reliable, connection oriented and acknowledged, and TFTP trivial file transfer protocol is simple, connectionless file transfer protocol, then HTTP is set of rules just like in the web, graphic image in the World Wide Web, then HTTPS is a secure mode of the HTTP, then client-server model, client-server process are considered to be application layer. Application layer protocols describe the format of the request and the response between client and servers. Example of a client server using IPS emails, service send, receive, and start emails. Then peer-to-peer network data is accessed from a peer device without the use of dedicated servers. Each device known as peer can function both a server and client. Then a P2P application allows device to act as both a client and server within the same communication. P2P application requires that each end device provides a user interface and run a background. A P2P is somewhat just like in messaging and messengers. Common P2P, J2, Bitcoin, BitTorrent, and eDonkey. Some P2P applications are based on Gnutella protocol, wherein users fulfill with each other. Then many P2P application allows users to share pieces of many files with each other at the same time. This BitTorrent. Then well-known application 10.2, then HTTP or the hypertext transfer markup language. Then when for the type into a web browser, the web browser establishes a connection to the web service protocol running on the server using HTTP protocol. Then the three common HTTP types is the GET, POST, PUT, and after that the HTTPS protocol uses encryption and authentication to secure data. Then email protocol somewhat communicates with mail server to send and retrieve mail. Then three protocols for email is the SMTP, POP, and the IMAP. Then SMTP is used to send email, then POP is used to retrieve email from email server, then email is downloaded from the server to client and then deleted on the server. Then IMAP is used to retrieve mail from email server, then copies a message or downloaded. Then the DNS converts the numeric address of the simple recognizable name into an IP address. Then protocol defines an automated service that matches the resource names with the required numeric network address. Then after that is the DNS message format. When a client makes query, the DNS server process first look at own record to resolve the name. If unable to resolve it, contacts the server to resolve the name. The server temporarily stores the numbered address in the event that the same name is requested again. Then ipconfig display DNS command display all the cache DNS entries on a Windows PC. Then DNS hierarchy. Then the nslookup command. The nslookup a utility that allows a user to manually query the name server to resolve a given host. Can also be used to troubleshoot name resolution issue and to verify the current status of the name server. Then DHCP for IPv4 automates the assignment of IP addresses, subnets, mask, gateway, and other parameters. And DHCP distributed addresses are leased for a set period of time, then returned to pool for reuse. Then DHCP is usually employed for end users devices. Static addressing is used for network device use such as gateways, switches, and servers and printers. In DHCP v6 or version 6 provides similar service for IPv6 client. Then DHCP operation. Then file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol is requires two connection between the client and the server, one for command and replies, the other for the actual file transfer. Then the client establishes first connection to the server, control traffic using TCP port 21. Then the client establishes the second connection to the server for the actual data transfer using TCP port 20. Then server message block or SMB is a client server file sharing protocol. Then SMB file sharing and trade services have become the mainstay of Microsoft networking. Client establish a long-term connection to the server and can access the resources for the server as if the resource is local to the client host. Then the summary of that is the summary of the application layer chapter 10 is explain the operation of the application layer in providing support to the end user. We already see how the protocol works and how it helps the communication and how it supports. Then explain how well-known TCP/IP application layer protocol operates just like the DNS, the PAP, the IMAP, and other protocols. And see if there are no protocol layers and other stuff in the message or in our message can't be sent or addresses into one another. We can use the World Wide Web because we can access on the internet, on the Google and other stuff where we get all the information. We can send a message to the people that we need to connect, and the life would be hard if this is not implemented in. That's why the application layer is always supports the end user's application and how we communicate to each other. And the thing is how fast can the technology improve just like this, and how it supports our life in our everyday living. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening, and God bless.